With the recent releases of Typical Cloud Integration, or TCI, we've added additional API endpoints, allowing you to build programmatic and automated processes outside of the UI in order to interact with TCI. In order to find the information around this, you simply go to our help system, and navigate down to your Typical Cloud Integration topic. In here, you'll see several different listings around ways that we have examples and methodologies of how to interact with TCI via the API. You can also navigate directly out to the Swagger page and see the full list of API endpoints that are available. We've added the capability to allow you to manage things like extensions and supplements, look at hybrid agents and get their statuses back from TCI, interact with and even delete your marketplace listings in TCI, encrypt passwords for Flogo, and even export and build your Flogo apps via the API. Now you can do this programmatically. You can also use other tools at your disposal in order to create these automations or workflows. For a quick example, I'll take you through in Postman and show you a couple of calls to the API. First, we'll get a quick list of the different apps that we have, and you can see that list here on our API call. I can then go through, if I want to get that JSON file from an app, I can bring that back, and I can see that here. Now I can export this and save it, or I can contribute this to my repository. It gives me a way that I can now have this offline. You can see this list is simply a build out from that Swagger definition that we have within the UI that we saw in the help document. But I have other ways where I can see lists of the current extensions that exist within this environment, if I have any kind of listings that I have, my supplements, all these pieces of data that I have access to. I have now a way programmatically to extract this data from the back end in the API, as well as going through the front end to see that directly. So always keep an eye on the release notes for as we add more API endpoints to be able to further extend and automate your interactions with TCI. Keep an eye on that help document for any other examples or samples we want to provide to you, and then also those Swagger definitions here to be able to see in detail exactly what we've added, the details around that, and you can always interact with that here from the Swagger definition as well.